हेलो गाइस, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। गाइस, आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है वो है हाउ टू सेव जैज़ बैलेंस व्हेन डेटा इज़ ऑन। हाउ टू सेव जैज़ बैलेंस व्हेन डेटा इज़ ऑन। With the increasing use of smartphones and the internet, mobile data has become an essential part of our daily lives. However, data usage can quickly consume your mobile balance, especially if you are not careful. Jazz, one of the leading telecom operator in Pakistan, offers various data packages and bundles to cater to the different needs of the user. But if you are not subscribed to a data package or bundles, using mobile data can be expensive. Therefore, it is important to learn how to save Jazz balance when data is on. In this article, we will discuss some tips and tricks that can help you minimize your data usage and save your Jazz balance while using mobile data. How to save Jazz balance using code. Jazz offers a convenient way to save your balance with the Jazz Balance Saver package. This package is available for all prepaid customers of Moblink and is completely free of cost. To activate the Jazz Balance Saver package, simply dial *275# using your Jazz numbers. This package helps you lock your balance and prevent unnecessary deductions. In addition to the Jazz Balance Saver package, Jazz also offers a quick and easy way to share your balance with others. You can do this in just 30 seconds with a simple trick. This allows you to help out your friends and family when they need it without having to go through a complicated process. How to save Jazz balance when data is on. Saving Jazz balance when data is on can be a bit tricky, but there are several methods you can use to reduce your data usage can save your balance. Turn off background data. Turning off background data is a useful method to save your Jazz balance when your data is on. Some apps on your phones continue to use data in the background even when you are not actively using them, which can quickly eat up your data allowance and cause you to lose balance. Here are how to turn off background data. Go to your phone setting, tap on network and internet or connections, tap on data usage or mobile data usage, scroll down and find the app you want to restrict background data for. Tap on the app and then toggle off the background's data switch. Disable auto updates. Disabling auto updates for your apps is another effective method to save your Jazz balance when your data is on. Many apps automatically update themselves when new versions are available, which can us up a lot of data without you even realizing it. Here's how to disable auto updates. Go to the Google Play Store app on your phone, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner, tap on settings, scroll down and select auto update apps. Choose the option don't auto update apps. Use a data saving browser. Using a data saving browser is another method to save your Jazz balance when your data is on. Data saving browsers like Opera Mini or Google Chrome data saver compress data before it's downloaded to your phone, which can save you a lot of data usage. Here's how to use a data saving browsers. Download and install a data saving browsers like Opera Mini or Google Chrome data saver from the Google Play Store. Open the browsers and go to the website you want to visit. The browsers will automatically compare data before it is downloaded to your phone, which can save you a lot of data usage. दोस्तों, ये थी हमारी आज की वीडियो। अगर आपको अच्छी लगी हो तो इसे लाइक करें, कमेंट करें और शेयर करें।